Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how everyday kitchen waste can be converted into a good organic manure. For that, I have come on our terrace, which is basically my workstation, and I've kept everything in front of me, whatever is required. Now, in this plate, you can see some banana peels, then these are used tea leaves. These are the remains of the vegetables. As you can see, they're potato peels, carrot, onion, some phali. These are spring onions, the leaves which are discarded. These are some dip tea. Alright, now here these are some dried tea leaves of 3-4 days. This is the aloe vera peels. I had used up the aloe vera today to make a homemade sanitizer. Then these are the dried flowers. As you can see, these are some grasses, dried leaves and weeds. Alright, now this is the general kitchen waste. Now, these are my 2 buckets which have been kept here since some days. Now, as you can see, in this bucket only the tea leaves go, after washing of course, with water, and in this bucket the leftover vegetable peels and the weeds and all, those go inside. Now I'm just going to turn it a little upside down. As you can see, certain more dip are here. So slowly it is turning into a nice black manure. Okay. So I'm going to just put my fresh tea leaves and also up to 3-4 days here. They go in here like this. Some of them got spilled over, so I'll take them also. In they go. From here also, in they go. The dip, and it goes. Of course, I can remove that white tag also. I haven't. I'll remove it. Okay, so now I'll just put it a little upside down like this. Okay. Now it has to be kept a little bit moist so that it gets decomposed and doesn't get dried up. Okay, this is done. Now in the other bucket that we have over here, as you can see, these are the dried up little bit vegetable peels and all. Now what this thing that you can see is actually the dried up mint. Okay, even that was put over here. Of course that was optional. I could have just thrown it away, but still it has gone in. So now I'll just turn it upside down like this so that this thing can go inside and decomposition can start. Otherwise it will not get decomposed. Okay, so now I'm going to add the fresh kitchen waste, today's kitchen waste here. Whatever, palak, methi, whatever you have, just put it in. Now these vegetable peels, they are very good, very good for soil. And if you don't want to throw them, you can just put on your face. You can just rub this portion on your face, even that will be great. Now in go the flowers, the dried up flowers. The dried up leaves. Now the aloe vera leaves also go. Aloe vera leaves have got medicinal properties, so I think that will be good for the soil. So it will be anti-fungus, antibacterial, hopefully antivirus also. So now all I have to do is I just have to cover it up a little bit with some soil. So here we have some soil. I'll just take it off a little bit and sprinkle on my pit like this, little bit like this, not much, like this, and little bit here also, even though it is not required over here, but still I'll do that. And it is moist. Tomorrow I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of water. So now my good organic manure compost is getting ready. Thank you.